Ang pinaka-entertaining for me na region,
Oh.
NACT. To
Okay.
clarify lang din talaga. No? For me, magiging boring talaga kasi pag laging number 1 eh. Lagi ko
Oo.
ito sinasabi eh.
Oo.
Magiging boring lang talaga. Pero kasi kaya naging boring nga. Kasi nga, nagpalakas talaga lahat.
Nagpalakas lahat.
Wala nang paki yung mga team ngayon. Wala silang paki kung trash talk nila. Dati kasi, retokan lang to ha.
Oo, retokan.
Dati kasi yung mga team ngayon, wala silang paki kahit kumbaga gagangster nila kahit sino.
Gagangster lang.
Ngayon, ayaw na nila noon. Gusto nila, yung gangster talk nila.
Nasa laro.
May walk.
May
Oo,
walk.
may walk. Nagpalakas ng todo yung mga Pinoy teams eh. Kaya, mas imbis na mag-focus sila sa pag-banter,
Oo.
focus sila sa content,
Nagpapalakas sila sa laro mismo.
palakas sila sa laro mismo.
Saka,
Kaya,
kung mapapansin mo, pre, hindi sila nagtatrash talkan pag dito eh.
wala, ayaw nila.
Pag dito, hindi sila nakikipag-trash talkan.
Oo.
Pero pag kalaban nila, ibang bansa, ang lalakas sila
Alalas
mag-trash
naman
talk.
trash talk. But then again, I will speak in English so that they
Yes,
can
okay,
understand.
okay.
Wow.
Wow!
Bago
English,
na.
new hero unlock.
New hero
English
unlock.
Manjin.
I think the most entertaining region is still NACT, especially right after games when they do interviews.
Yeah.
It's like an all-out. It's like WWE when
Yes.
they do interviews. They're like having a promo when they do that.
I
Especially Milo and even Mr. Mobazin.
Yeah, I think Milo is a very charismatic person.
Shout out sa'yo, Milo.
He's always unhinged.
Oo.
And I think that's what I like about him. He
Mapainis.
speaks his thoughts.
Pero ito lang ang akin.
O, babalik na kami sa Tagalog.
NACT is still
Di pa pala.
young.
Yes, I agree.
So I can compare them to to season 1 up until season 3 of the
Okay.
MPL Philippines.
Okay. Fair.
Ganun yung dati. Daming
Oo.
banter nun.
Merong gigil eh.
Oh,
Kasi nagtatatalunan pa yun. Naalala mo yung nakarang NACT, yung qualifier for M5?
Oh.
Ganon din yung nangyari.
Oo.
Ganon na ganon.
So yun thank you so much. Tropa natin yan si Pai Chicken. Kaya salamat Pai Chicken na may nai-unlock ka
Tama.
na usapan. Mwah.